The Marine Debris Tracker app is a great tool that allows you to make a difference by recording when and where you discover marine debris along our coastlines and waterways. So how do you get started using this tool? First off, you'll need to download the application onto your smartphone. For Apple users, you'll need to navigate to your Apple Store. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to download and install the app on an Android smartphone. So first, you're going to open up the Play Store, which may be located somewhere else on your phone, but on my phone, it's on the bottom right here. So I'll click on Play Store. And next, I will search for the Marine Debris Tracker app, which, as you can see, already had it queued. So I'll click on that. And it's the top choice there, so I will select that and click on install. So now it's downloading. Wait for that to download. And that's it. The program is now installed. Okay. Now that you've installed the Marine Debris Tracker app, you'll need to navigate to your applications and then select Marine Debris Tracker. Once that loads, you'll need to select a list. So you would hit Change List. You can scroll to the options. In this case, I'm going to load up the Georgia Sea Turtle Center. I'm ready to log some data at the beach, so I would hit Start. And now that you'll see a list of categories. Top items: plastic, metal, glass, rubber, cloth, paper and lumber, fishing gear, and of course other items. Now the black triangles to the right would open the drag down menu. If you click on it, for top items, you'll see that there are plastic bottle or container caps, cigarettes, plastic food wrappers, and straws. And for plastics, there's plastic bag, balloons, etc., etc. So let's log some data. In this case, I'll open up other items. For the other option, I can add the amount of items that I found. So you can hit the plus sign or the minus sign. So the plus sign obviously increases the number of items that you found. The minus sign decreases those. If you'd like to log multiple items at the same time, you can click on the number and hit delete that one, and now you can type in whatever you want. So in this case, I'll type in 9. So I found 9 items, and then I can hit description to describe what I found. In this case, I'll type in test items. And then I could even take a picture if I wanted to. So in this case, I'll hit the camera button. Camera opens up. You could take a picture of the item. This helps scientists or managers look at the data. If they're not sure what you're exactly logging, they can look at the image and categorize that for you. In this case, I'll skip the picture. So now that I'm ready to log the data, I can hit that log button all the way to the right. And in the top right corner, you'll see under View and Submit, there are now 9 items. I can click on View and Submit. And now I can see the items that I just logged. So in this case, if you needed to delete something, let's say those 9 items, I can hit that red X button. And a menu pops up and asks, would I like to delete this? So I'll hit yes in this case. And then I'll scroll all the way down to the bottom and I'll add 3 test items instead, and log that data. Again, I will click on that View and Submit 3 items. And now I'm going to actually log this data. So I can go to the Submit 3 items, click on that, and I have a couple of options here. So I can submit as an MDT user. If you're at a group cleanup, you can ask the person leading the group if they have a user ID that they'd like you to use. If you're on your own, you can actually register your own user account, or you could submit incognito and also queue the submission. So queue the submission is actually quite important. I know that here on Jekyll Island, there are a few instances where you will not have a cell phone connection. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. So queue submission allows me to take those items and store them on the phone until I can get to a place that actually has a cell phone signal. So now that I'm somewhere that actually has a cell phone signal, I can click on Submit Queued. And now I can see the data that I actually just logged. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Opens up. And I'm going to go ahead and submit as an MDT user. Now in this case, you can see that I am registered as a Georgia Sea Turtle Center citizen scientist. And then I'm going to go ahead and log that data through the MDT, which is Marine Debris Tracker. And it's as simple as that. Now that you can see, I've sent that data to the database, and I can either share that information, add a picture, add a map. In this case, I'm just going to go back to tracking. And there we go. We're back to the start menu. I can hit start and continue tracking from there. So that sums up the use of the app. In the end, the goal of this app is to have people like you tell us where and when you see marine debris. This data helps scientists and managers alike find solutions to waste management issues. Also, for those of you that use this app, we hope that the experience enhances your awareness surrounding marine debris. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.